Okay, so basically, uh, I am using the Python ideally, all right, the Python ideally, and I have already created a new file, and this is basically my code, but it is not the code that I would like to show today, all right, it's how you use a debugger. Right? The debugging is actually over here. See, this is the debugger. All right. Okay. But this is my code. So how do I get them both to run at the same time? Basically, just go to your debugger, turn it on. They will tell you your debugger is on because you got your debugger control down here. Right. But it's not doing anything. At least not yet. So what you need to do now is you need to run, just like what you normally do. Right. But as you run it, what actually happen is, okay, can make this longer, right? All your code, all right, the tracking can be done over here. You just need to step in, all right? So right now it's running line one, and you can see the data is now holding the array. Then if I go into the next step, it goes into step three, which is the uh, procedure, right? But it's not going to run that, of course, all right? Okay, and then it runs all the way to line 17, which is the call, right? But you can still see the data inside here. See the data, which is this variable, and now it's going into the line 4, which is the procedure, and is starting to work inside it. So the count is being declared, and you should see it working. So the data to insert 20, which is this data over here, the data. And this becomes a lot easier for you to work with compared to manually try to do debugging, or keeping track of the variable. All right. So when you're done, quit it, close, your debugger will be off. See that? All right. So using this debugging tool will help you a lot.